I'm at the corner of Main and Ogden, right in front of California, and there's a webcam, and I'm wondering if I can see myself. So I'm trying to record the live stream and kind of moving around, be really tiny. So let's hope beyond hope. Do I dare to hope? Let's hope that I can find myself. All right, you guys, thank you. Hello, once on one camera. Today is May 6th, about 2 p.m. Temperature 94 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, it is a hot one. Slight breeze, which won't do anyone any good. All right, so today we're down here at the Circa to check things out. This $1 billion project, 1.25 million square feet, allegedly the largest sportsbook in America, or perhaps even in the world, is to be open in December 2020. With all the madness going on, who really knows? With all the madness going on, who really knows what's going to happen? But for now, the team is working. It seems to be a full squad as far as I can tell. I've seen people running around, going on their lunch break or whatever. I see the elevator going up and down. I hear the sounds of construction going on. So as far as I can tell, these guys are just beavering away to make sure this place gets done on time. Garage Mahal, that 1,200 vehicle slotted place, looks to be busy as a beaver. You got the teams on the outside working away. There's even some sort of washing going on, which I was very surprised to see. But hey, you know, what do I know? I'm not in construction. Hello everyone, this is One Man, One Camera. Today I'm down at the Fremont Street Experience to take a look at the Circa Resort and Casino construction site. This little porthole is located on the Fremont Street Experience, which allows people passersby to look inside and see the construction going on. If you notice that sign there, it says Circa. That sign has the construction schedule, which allows everyone to see exactly when things are due. Here is the artist rendition of the 1.25 million square foot, 777 room resort, casino, and spa. The hotel will be facing towards the strip, so hopefully there'll be some nice views for those at the upper levels. It will also have the largest sports book in the country. That's pretty much all I have right now. I didn't even go into too many details of the resort hotel because it's just early days and, you know, things can change. So kick back, relax, enjoy the music, enjoy the visuals, and if you have any questions about it, this hotel or anything else around Vegas, let me know and I will do my best to answer you. All right, wherever you are, have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Good day. So right now I'm at the corner of Ogden and Main, and as you can see, they got the cherry pickers going, which is nice to see those guys working. And then here's a shot of the northern side of the building. Got your chemtrails, we got a lot of glass on there, a couple of towers, and there's a design. It's an interesting design, I do quite like it. And then we have the scaffolding, which seems to be everywhere in Vegas these days. Scaffolding, scaffolding, scaffolding. And of course the California Hotel and Casino. Now here's a shot of Garage Mahal. This looks, you know, parking lot. The only big question I have really is will they have free parking for locals, or free parking for everyone, or free parking for the higher tier club members? Only time will tell. And there's the bridge, which is not completed yet, which runs from the Garage Mahal and to the hotel complex. This shot is from First and Ogden. It gives you a better view of the design of the building. Well, it gives you a different view of the design of the building with the slanted top. And just more scaffolding and insulation or whatever. I'm not really sure what's behind the yellow tape. That blue slide-looking thing, I believe that is for trash, where when they finish with boxes and so on, they can dump it on there and presumably there'll be a dumpster underneath the opening, and then just slide in and take it away. The video from May 24th, 2019, that was the first video I made of the Circa, and as you can see, in a little bit less than a year, it's come a long way, because back then, there was just, pretty much a hole in the ground with some sort of framing and, not much else. And so to complete this in less than a year, I think it's pretty good. I haven't really looked at a lot of buildings being constructed, but it looks like it's, gone up pretty well. But I don't know if they'll be able to finish on time. I haven't seen anything saying to the contrary that they will be, that they won't be done by December. So let's all hope for the best, and let's hope that they can get this thing done and open, and hope the madness has died down enough so people can, come here to Vegas and enjoy themselves. All right, you guys. That's just all of the audio from me today. But let's just watch the last bits of the video. And, like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care wherever you are, and have a great day. And thanks again for watching. Oh, and please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. It is appreciated and does help. Have a great day.